most annoying sound in the world. Let me show you some of mine. Anyways, farting. Not too bad at all. Anyways, drop kick. Don't interrupt me, I'm recording, and I'm ratty, and as you can see, I'm at the table. That wasn't okay, it starts to annoy you. Anyways, part 2. Oh no, I can't do that. I'm going to poop myself if I do that. I'm sorry if I said that. Anyways. A snap. It's almost. That was one of the bad ones. That was a really bad one. Anyways, we have the last one, which is the worst, and it's crying like a baby. No, because a fart sounds like this, and the fart too is like this. So I didn't do that because I was afraid I might have an accident. Anyways, I'm not crying like a baby. I'm just imitating it when there is happening. Anyways, let's get started. Wah! 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 Sorry if there was a little bit of darkness, but okay, that was the worst. Anyways, let me know in the comments which one you think is the worst. And if you send some nice comments, I'll heart your comment. Anyways, see you in the next video and goodbye. This is me, Ratty, signing off. Didn't mean to do that. This is me, Ratty, signing off. Anyways.